Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice and in today's video I'll be showing you how to register 1688 account. So after installing the app and opening it up and having a review, like having gone through everything about the app and how it works, the next thing you have to know is you have to sign up or log in to an account, right? So you first of all click on I agree to Alibaba terms of service, right? That's the first thing you need to do. So the second, you need to enter your phone number. So I'm going to input my phone number now. So you need to input your phone number, make sure it's very correct, and you click on get. So they're going to send you a SMS code. Okay, see it. So I will just copy it and I'm going to log in. So I've gotten an account right now. So you can see I'm going to get a guide for newcomers, right? So I'm going to get like a discount because I am a newcomer. You get, so you can now start shopping since you've registered on 1688, like you've gotten an account already. This is where you get to like click and you get to add to your chat. So this is actually how to register 1688 account. So let's check for me. Let's click on me and you can see it's right here. So you can just come here and just wait for it to load up and take a screenshot to know what the info is talking about. So I think this is my ID, so I'm going to go right up. And that's all. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.